All right, here we have the last problem. Here we are asked for 6C to find a cylinder cut out of a bigger cylinder. So let's do that first. Well, we should get the cylinder's formula first. So the cylinder is like the cone, just without the 1/3. So the big cylinder, so I'm going to do pi r squared h, and again, this is r big, okay, minus pi r squared times height. This is r small because there's two radiuses, okay? So let's do the big one. R big, which is the entire thing, which is going to be 8. So that's 8, okay? So pi 8 squared times height, which is going to be 11. That's the height, minus pi and small, which is 3 squared times 11. All right, so 8 squared times 11, this is going to be 704 pi minus 3 squared times 11. This is 99 pi. So 704 minus 99, this gets you 605 pi, okay? And then this one, rectangular prism outside. The rectangular prism is very simple. It is the volume of the big prism minus the small prism, right? And it's the length with height minus length with height, okay? So the long one, it is still 4 for the length, okay? Then we're going to multiply this by the height. Nope. This is not 4. Look, the small one here. Look, the small one here is 1. The width, I'm going to make in blue, never changes, it's 2. And the height is never changes, that is the 5. So the only difference here is the length. Okay, so 4 times 2 times 5, that gets you 40. Minus 1 times 2 times 5, that gets you 10. So the volume here is 30 feet cubed. Sorry, I forgot the units here. Inches cubed, because they're volumes. Okay, so there you go. That is how do you find the area of the composite figure.